In this video, I will show you how to apply for a divorce in the UK. To apply, you need your full name and your spouse's full name and address, your original marriage certificate or a certified copy, and proof of any name change since marriage, like a deed poll. The court will use your spouse's address to send them a copy of your divorce application. If you provide their email, the papers will be sent online. Otherwise, they'll be sent by post. The fee to apply for a divorce is £612. If you are on benefits or have a low income, you may be able to get help with a fee, which can be applied for online or by paper form. If you are applying for a joint divorce, both spouses must apply for help with fees, or the full fee will be required. You can apply online using a debit or credit card, or by post using the D8 divorce application form, which you can get from a citizen's advice office. Keep a copy of your form for your records. If you apply by post, send it to HMCTS Divorce and Dissolution Service, PO Box 13226, Harlow CM 29 UG. Payments can be made by debit or credit card or by check payable to HM Courts and Tribunals Service. Once your application is submitted, the court will issue the divorce papers and notify your spouse. After completing the necessary steps, you can proceed to apply for a conditional order and then a final order to legally end your marriage. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutor.